Our economy is 70% domestic driven. 70 to 75% is domestic driven. Unlike, let's say, China and Vietnam, which are more, or even our neighbors in Southeast Asia, more export-oriented driven. We earn foreign exchange from OFW remittances. We have a trade deficit when it comes to goods. We have a robust BPO industry, and we feel that that will continue. In fact, there are more interest in investing in the Philippines, the BPO industry. Then you have tourism as well. Then, of course, FDIs. Hopefully, maybe Apple, if our Western companies invested in China, will probably move also to the Philippines, and we have a new law create more for that purpose.
So you're targeting, aren't you?
Yes.
You're targeting those companies that have to move out of China or choose to move to a more favorable jurisdiction.
That's correct. That's correct. We are now working on a free trade agreement with the European Union. I suppose we can impose lower tariffs on U.S.-made cars. We're open to a free trade agreement also with the United States. And I would bat for a reduction in tariffs on U.S. vehicles.
Would you be delighted? They'd be delighted on that.
Sure.
Let's talk about the security aspect of
Yes.
it. Because you are part of a mutual agreement, mutual
That's right.
defense treaty with the United States.
Yes.
The Secretary of State, Marco Rubio, has reaffirmed
That's
commitment
correct.
to that.
In the first week of the Trump administration.
At the Munich Security Conference, yes.
Yeah, in the first week, Secretary Rubio called our Foreign Affairs Secretary, met also with our Defense Secretary, together with your new National Security Advisor. I understand that they also met with the new Defense Secretary, and then in Munich recently, there was also a meeting, yes.
That must be very reassuring because
all in the first 30 days of the Trump
but
administration.
the shift in policy in Europe
Yes.
has led many traditional allies to question the reliability of
Yes.
the United States as an ally. There
Yes.
must have been a moment when you doubted, or you had a moment of pause. But are you now reassured?
Yes, we're reassured based on the pronouncements made by these U.S. officials, including the aid that will continue for our security.
Do you see that there will be trade shifts to avoid trading with the United States? Not for any meanness, just
Yes.
because you're looking for new
Correct.
neighbors who might be more friendly to trade with.
Of course. I think everyone will be wanting to trade more with all countries in the world, right? So like I said earlier, the Philippines, and I'm sure the European Union is interested to invest or trade with Southeast Asia being the fastest growing region in the world today.